A business driver is simply something that has a major impact on the performance of a specific business. On the African continent, the explosive growth in sales of mobile phones meant that the mobile phone operators, Vodacom, MTN, Airtel, they experienced massive growth in profitability from voice in the mid-1990s and early 2000s. Now, in contrast today, the growth of mobile operators is being driven by huge increases in data consumption and not by voice-related services. So a key business driver for these mobile phone companies today is the accessibility and affordability of smartphones, through which most of the data is actually consumed. So to identify what a driver is for business, you need to ask yourself, what on a day-to-day basis drives revenue? What drives profit? What drives cash flow? A business may also have opportunities for diversification. So diversification can either be by product, it can be by revenue streams, it can be by market or by country, or it can be by industry or by customer. There will be other factors that will influence what drives how a business diversifies and what the internal dynamics are in terms of how it applies its financial resources and the capital available to it. Now, human resources are another key business driver. Also, the operating capacity of the business. Property, plant, and equipment in the form of premises or manufacturing equipment can be a key business driver as well. And the business's underlying business model is going to be key. So some key considerations regarding the business model is, for instance, how the business model impacts on the income statement, how it affects the balance sheet, how it affects the cash flow statement, how the business model differs to that of competitors, the resilience and the durability of the business model. The company's profile and brand awareness regarding the company is frequently a significant factor when it comes to business drivers. And then the product and the service quality that is rendered by the company is also a key consideration. All these considerations may feed into the business drivers, impacting on the company you're assessing for the purposes of advancing a facility.